Hi guys, so today we're going to play a Pac-Man guys. Guys, so today, hey, you have a Sonic, Tasha? Guys, today I will play Pac-Man. Oh, a Pac-Man. Oh, ouch. Hey, Pac-Man. Why? Guys, Baby Tasha is with have a Sonic. Guys. Stay away from Pac-Man. Oh no, guys. There's a Pac-Man over here. Guys, stay away from Pac-Man. Guys, bye guys. See you next time.